Hello everyone.
예, 마지막 시간입니다.
Today's the last session.
저는 막 무척 지금 이제 아파가지고 어제 잠도 이렇게 못 잤습니다.
And so I'm actually very sick right now, so I couldn't even sleep well last night.
밥도 이제 못 먹고요.
I couldn't eat well.
그냥 지금 이제 서 있을 만큼의 힘밖에 없는 것 같아요.
So I think I only have enough strength to just stand.
혹시 또 넘어지면 저를 도와주시기 바랍니다.
And so I hope that you guys can help them.
예, 이제 지금까지 우리가 불교가 태국에 어떻게 처음에 이제 전파되었는지 그런 것부터 시작했습니다.
And so we started the sessions in how Buddhism was able to spread throughout the land of Thailand.
창시했던 불교를 창시한 석가모니 그 부타는 좋은 마음으로 이제 창시를 했지만
So Buddha that created Buddhism, he created Buddhism with a good heart.
2000년이 이렇게 넘게 지나면서
But as 2,000 years went by,
많은 이제 그 본래 기본 원리에서 벗어나서
they have gone astray from the basic teachings of Buddhism.
헛된 어떤 종교로 악령으로 이끌려가고 있는 것을 이제 봤습니다.
And so now we see how they're leading away into a wasteful religion.
진리라는 것은 변하지 않는 거야 되는데
So truth is something that should not change.
세월이 지나면서 변화가 된 거죠.
But as the time went by, it changed.
근데 이제 우리가 믿고 있는 예수님의 어떤 진리는요.
But the truth of Jesus that we believe in,
6,000년이 지나도 변하지 않습니다.
even though 6,000 years pass by, it still doesn't change.
그런 성경을 믿는다는 것이 너무나 감사한 마음이 많습니다.
Like that, I have a very thankful heart that we believe in the Bible.
하여튼 태국은 불교 나라인데
And so Thailand is aligned to Buddhism.
이 불교의 복음을 증거하는 게 무척 어려운 거라고 이제 모든 사람들이 생각하고요.
And everyone thinks that it's going to be very difficult to preach the gospel in the land of Thailand.
저도 이제 그렇게 생각을 했죠.
And I also thought that way too.
그래서 제가 처음 이제 태국에 갔을 때가요.
But when I first went to Thailand,
1996년에 이제 가게 되었습니다.
it was in the year of 1996.
그때 나이가 제 기억에 36살 정도 됐던 것
At the
같아요.
time, I believe I was around 36 years old.
그때 이제 저희 아들이 2명하고 같이 갔습니다.
And I had my two sons that went with me.
이제 하나는 큰애는 이제 막 초등학교 1학년 다니다가 좀 다녔고요.
My first kid was attending the first year in elementary school.
둘째는 유치원에 다닐 때였죠.
And the second son was in kindergarten.
그때 이제 처음으로 제가 이제 태국으로 파송을 받을 때
And so that was when I was first dispatched to go to Thailand.
그제 이제 그 코스타리카 이렇게 파송을 받았던 선교사님, 브라질에 파송을 받았던 선교사님 나와서 잠깐 간증했죠.
And so you remember yesterday the missionaries who went to Costa Rica and Brazil came out to give us short testimony, right?
그분들처럼 저도 이제 그렇게 태국에 파송을 받게 되었는데요.
Just like they were dispatched there, I was also dispatched to Thailand.
그러니까 물질이 전혀 가지고 가지 않는 상태에서 이제 선교를 시작했습니다.
And we started the missionary in a situation without any money.
그러니까 집 한 채도 얻을 만큼의 돈도 안 됐고요.
That's why we had money that was not even enough to, get a house.
아이들을 어떻게 학교에 넣어야 되는지 잘 몰랐고요.
And I didn't know how I could send my children to go to school.
너무 이제 막막한 그런 상황에서 처음 발걸음을 내딛게 되었습니다.
And so I took my first step in an area that was so dark.
근데 그 모든 것들을 이길 수 있었던 말씀이 있었습니다.
But there was the word that was able to overcome all things.
이 룻기 3장 1절부터 5절까지 보면요.
If you look at Ruth chapter 3,
함께 보겠습니다.
Ruth chapter 3, let us see together.
1절부터 5절까지.
Verse 1 through 5. Then Naomi, her mother-in-law, said unto her, My daughter, shall I not seek rest for thee, that it may be well with thee? And now is not Boaz of our kindred, with whose maidens thou wast? Behold, the winnoweth barley tonight in the threshing floor. Wash thyself therefore, and anoint thee, and put thy raiment upon thee, and get thee down to the floor, but make not thyself known unto the man, until he shall have done eating and drinking. Now it shall be, when he lieth down, that thou shalt mark the place where he shall lie, and thou shalt go in and uncover his feet, and lay thee down, and he will tell thee that thou shalt do. And she said unto her, All that thou sayest unto me I will do.
자, 그러니까 룻이 이제 나오미 시어머니의 말을 따라서 갈 때
And so as Ruth followed the word of the mother-in-law Naomi,
형편적으로는 무척 두려운 곳이죠.
according to the situation wise, it's a very fearful thing to do.
저도 역시 이제 교회에 약속을 따라서 제가 이제 태국에 갔을 때
That's why even for me, as I followed the promise of the church and went to Thailand,
모든 게 두려웠습니다.
everything was very fearful.
마치 여기서 기록하고 있는 것처럼요.
Just like it's recorded here in the Bible.
보아스라는 전혀 한 번도 만나지 못한 남자였는데
And so Boaz was a man that she has never met before.
그가 이제 잠자고 있는 발치 이불에 이제 들어가는 거죠.
Now she has to go lie down on the foot of his bed.
먼저 이제 들어가서 이불을 덮고 자는데
And so he's going to go in first to lie down and sleep.
보아스가 들어와 가지고
And so, Boaz comes in
넌 누구야?
and say, Hey, who are you?
화가 나서 쫓아낸다면
And so if he gets angry and kicks her out,
얼마나 창피하고 얼마나 두려운 일입니까?
and so how much of an embarrassment is that and how fearful it must be?
그것처럼 제가
Likewise,
태국에 이렇게 처음에 왔을 때
when I first went to Thailand,
물질도 없을 뿐만 아니라
not only did I not have any money,
비자를 어떻게 받아야 될지도 몰랐어요.
I didn't know how to get my visa as well.
그러니까 정부에서도 비자 없으니까도 나가고 추방을 시킨다면
That's why even in the government, if they say, hey, you don't have any visa and they deport me,
내가 거기서 쫓겨나야 되죠.
then I could only be kicked out.
그리고 이제 이 아들들 2명 있는데
And so I have my two sons.
학교를 어디 학교에 들어가야 되나?
And so what school do they have to go to?
진짜 막막한 일이었습니다.
And it really was a situation that was like pitch dark.
그 말도 못하니까
Because I couldn't even speak their language.
어떻게 학교를 넣어야 될지도 잘 모르는.
So I didn't know how I have to send them to school.
근데 이제 바로 제가 처음에 이제 얻었던 콘도미니엄 그런 방을 하나 얻었는데
And so we got a room, a condominium.
그 길 건너에서 학교가 하나 있었습니다.
And right across the street, thankfully, there was a school.
근데 거기는 월요일부터 금요일 날까지는 태국 학교고요.
And from Monday to Friday is the Thailand school.
토요일만 그 한인들 학생들이 와가지고 배우는 한인 학교도 됐습니다.
And Saturday was a day that Korean students would come to learn.
그리고 바로 이제 길 건너서 있었기 때문에
And since it was just across the street,
그 학교에 가서 말은 잘 못하지만
and so they went to school.
우리 아이들을 학교에 넣어달라고 했는데
And so I went to the school, and even though I didn't speak the language, I asked them to accept my two children to school.
말을 다 못 알아듣지만
And so even though I couldn't understand everything they said,
오케이라고 그렇게 대답을 해줬어요.
but they answered okay.
그래서 이제 우리 큰아이가 1년을 그 학교를 다녔는데
And so for 1 year, my first son attended the school.
2학년이 올라가야 되는데
Now he has to go to second grade.
학교에서 말했습니다.
The school said this:
2학년은 못 올라간다고.
he cannot go to second grade.
왜 그러느냐고.
I said, why?
그때는 이제 1년이 지났기 때문에 조금 말을 알아듣죠.
And so now already 1 year went by, so I kind of understand a little bit.
그때 1년 전에 서류를 이렇게 준비해 오라고 했는데
And so they said, hey, a year ago I told you to prepare documents like this and like that,
당신이 서류를 준비해 오지 안 한 거 아니냐.
but you didn't prepare any documentations.
그러니까 서류를 준비해 왔으면 바로 올라갈 수 있도록 모든 게 준비가 됐는데
And so if I prepared the documents, then everything would have been ready for my son to go to second grade.
준비를 당신이 안 해줬기 때문에
But because they said I didn't prepare it in advance,
우리 아들이 2학년을 못 올라간다는 거죠.
that's why my son cannot go to the second grade.
야, 그 내가 말귀를 못 알아들어서 하는 내가 내 잘못인데
And so yes, it was my mistake that I couldn't understand.
그럼 1년을 그냥 뭐 헛수고로 다닌 거와 같은데
Then I just felt like it was such a waste to just go for 1 year.
너무 이제 막막한데
And now it was really dark, pitch dark in front
그때
of me.
제가 학교에 자주 가면
And so when I go to the school,
성경을 가르치는 선생님이 한 분 계셨어요.
there was one teacher that taught the Bible.
그 선생님이 저에게 말했어요.
And that teacher told me,
너무 걱정하지 말라고.
say, hey, don't worry too much.
이 우리 학교에 다시 프로그램이 하나 생겼다.
In our school, there is this new program.
지금까지 우리 아이가 다녔던 학교는 태국어만 배우는 학교인데
And the school that my son went to, he only learned Thai.
이제 학교에서 새로운 프로그램이 하나 생겼는데
But now there is a new program in the school.
투 랭귀지 학교를 이제 설립을 시작을 했다는
Now
거죠.
they have established a school that will teach 2 languages.
하루에 6시간 수업을 한다면
In a day, if they are taught for 6 hours,
반 3시간은 태국어로 수업을 하고
3 hours they will be taught in Thai,
3시간은 영어로 수업한다는
and
거죠.
the other 3 hours they will be taught in English.
너무 좋은 거죠.
And it was really good.
영어도 배우고 태국어도 배우고.
Learn English and Thai.
근데 처음에 등록하는 등록금이 비싸다.
But the person said, but for you to register, the registration fee at first is expensive.
그러면 그때 우리 큰 아들은 2학년, 둘째 아들은 1학년 2명이 들어가야 되는데
And so now at that year, it was my first son that has to enter the second year in elementary school, my second son first grade.
돈이 그만큼 없는 거예요.
But I didn't have that much money.
1,000불이 있어야 되는데
I needed to have $1,000.
나에게는 100불도 없는 거예요.
But to me, I didn't even have $100.
근데 그 학교 선생님이 저에게 말했습니다.
And so the school teacher told me,
이 학교는 그 기독교 학교이기 때문에
this school is a Christian church, a Christian school.
미셔널리 그 아들들은 그 장학금을 받을 수 있다는 거예요.
Missionary kids are able to receive scholarships.
근데 내가 어떻게 그걸 서류를 몇 가지 준비하라고 나에게 말하는데
And so the teacher told me to prepare this and that, documentations.
나는 그 서류를 어떻게 준비해야 될지 모르겠네.
But I didn't know how to prepare the documentations.
근데 그분이 서류를 다 준비해 주었습니다.
But that teacher prepared the documentation for me.
그러면서 그 장학금을 거의 700불을 받게 되었습니다.
Like that, my children was able to receive $700 of scholarship.
그때 당시 그 돈이 21년 전인데요.
And it was 21 years ago.
큰 돈이었죠.
At that time, it was really big money.
그래서 두 아이가 이제 그 학교를 12년을 다녔는데
And so my 2 kids were able to attend that school for 11 years.
그러면 700불 곱하기 12년 하면 얼마입니까?
And so if it is 700 times 12 years, then how much is that?
8만 불입니까?
Is it $80,000?
맞아요?
Is it?
12년이니까.
Since it is 12 years, right?
그런 물질을 하나님이 미리 다 준비해서
And God has prepared that money in advance for us.
그 우리 아이들이 학교를 다니는데 전혀 부족함이 없도록 만드는 거예요.
God made it so that we will not lack for my children to go to school.
태국어만 배우는 학교가 아니고
It's not only a school that teaches Thai,
영어도 함께 배워가지고
but you can also learn English at the same time.
이제 우리 그 큰아이는 영어를 이제 잘하게 되었습니다.
And so that's how my first son was able to speak English really well too.
대학교에 이제 들어갈 때
And when it was time for him to go to university,
태국에서는 제일 두 번째로 좋은 대학교에 들어가게
he
되었고
was able to go to the second best university in Thailand.
그것도 영문과에 들어가게 되었습니다.
And he went into English major.
외국인들은 대부분이 다 인터내셔널 학교를 다니는데
And so foreigners usually go to international universities.
우리 아이는 외국인이지만
Even though my son was a foreigner,
태국 애들하고 똑같이 이제 시험을 봐가지고
he took the same test that the Thai people would
그
take,
학교에 합격이 될 수 있었던
and he
거죠.
was able to get accepted to the school.
그래서 지금은 이제 우리 박 목사님이 하시는 우리 분수익 선교회 선교학교 그 들어갔다가요.
And right now, he has entered into the missionary school that Pastor Park leads,
졸업을 했습니다.
and he graduated
그래서
now.
지금은 태국으로 파송을 받았습니다.
And he was established to Thailand again.
저하고 같이 이제 사역을 하게 되는 거예요.
And so he's doing ministry together with me.
그래 얼마 전에는 이제 벌써 아들을 낳아가지고
A little while ago, he had a son,
손자까지 생겼죠.
and so now I even have a grandson.
그러니까 21년 전에는 진짜 막막하게 태국을 갔는데
And so 21 years ago, I went to Thailand with really having no
이
sight.
말씀처럼
But just like this
이
word,
말씀이 뭐라고 그랬습니까?
what did the word say here?
루스 시모 나오미가 그에게 이르되 내 딸아 내가 너를 위하여 안식할 곳을 구하여 너로 복되게 하야지 않겠느냐.
It says in verse 1 that Naomi, her mother-in-law, said unto her, My daughter, shall I not seek rest for thee, that it may be well with thee?
내가 태국에 가는 것은
So me going to Thailand,
뭐 가서 고생하고 힘들고 어려운 일을 당하러 간 게 아니고
I didn't go to Thailand to go through difficulty, suffering, and pain.
하나님이 주신 복을 받으러 간 겁니다.
But I went to go to receive the blessings that God prepared.
근데 처음에 갈 때는
But when I first went there,
야 가다가 선교하다가 쫓겨날 거 아닌가.
I was thinking, what if I'm doing my ministry and I get kicked out?
우리 아이들은 학교도 못 다니고 그만두는 거 아닌가.
Oh, what if my kids can't even go to school and they have to stop?
이런 두려움이 내 마음을 가득 채울 때가 있었습니다.
And so there were times that these fears filled in my heart.
근데 그때마다 이 말씀이 내 마음에 들어와서
But at those times, the word entered in my
그
heart.
두려움을 다 물리치고
It was able to cast out all my fear.
하나님이 그 말씀대로 역사하는 것을 보게 되었습니다.
And I was able to see God working according to His word.
하여튼 구체적으로 저렇게 자세히 또 이렇게 얘기를 좀 하겠습니다. 그때 당시 제가 이제 조그마한 이렇게 앞 콘도에서 이렇게 있었을 때 이제 개인적으로 한 명 한 명 복음을 전할 때였습니다.
And I'll tell you a little bit more about these pictures. It was back in the time when we had the small condominium, and I would preach the gospel to individuals like this.
박 목사님 모시고 이렇게 집회도 했었고요.
And we even had conferences with Pastor Park,
제가 이제 통역을 하고
and I was translating.
박 목사님 말씀 전하시다가 이렇게 캄보디아 사모님 목사님이 와서 댄스도 하고
And so, there's the pastor and pastor's wife from Cambodia, and the pastor told them to come out and do a little, dance.
그렇게 이제 처음 시작을 하게 되는 거죠.
And so that's how we were able to first start the ministry.
자 이제 이것은 이제 2003년에서 2017년 사이에 일어났던 일들을 이게 사진인데요.
And so these are the series of pictures that we have from 2003 to 2017 in the works of the gospel.
이것은 2016년도에 우리가 세계대회 한 것입니다.
And this picture here is the world camp that we did in the year of 2016.
그러니까 처음에 우리 가족밖에 없고
So that's why at first it was only our family.
어디서 어떻게 복음을 전해야 될지 몰랐는데
And I didn't know from where and how I can preach the gospel.
막상 교회의 인도를 받아서
But as I was led by the church,
갈 때 이렇게 많은 사람을 만날 수 있었습니다.
and through that I was able to meet with so many people like this.
또 얘기. 내가 이거를 영어로 좀 해줘.
And so this is the International Youth Fellowship. We were able to start a nonprofit Christian organization that truly focuses on the youth to be able to truly solve the world youth problems through various activities, and it was able to truly branch around into many countries around the world. And we were able to start the IYF Thailand branch in the year of 2003.
이 얘기는 한국에 처음에 IF가 2001년도에 설립이 되게 되거든요.
And so IYF was established in the year of 2001 first in Korea.
근데 태국에는 2003년도에 IF가 설립이 되게 됐습니다.
But in Thailand, it was able to be established in the year of 2003.
그때 2001년도에 목사님이 어떤 말씀을 가지고 이 IF를 시작하게 됐냐면
Back then in 2001, when Pastor was able to establish the IYF, what kind of word did he have?
출애굽기 3장 10절이죠.
So if we look at Exodus chapter 3, verse 10,
함께 읽겠습니다. 10절 읽겠습니다.
so Exodus chapter 3, verse 10,
네.
Come now, therefore, and I will send thee unto Pharaoh, that thou mayest bring forth my people, the children of Israel, out of Egypt.
그러니까 하나님이 우리 선교회를 통해서 이 복음의 역사를 일으키겠다는 약속입니다.
And so this is the word that God has given unto a mission that He will constantly bring forward preaching the gospel strongly.
죄와 고통에 빠져 있는 사람들,
Those people who are fallen into sin and suffering.
그 사람들을 구원해내는 일을 우리 IYF를 통해서 일하시겠다는 거죠.
That God will work through IYF to save those many souls.
박 목사님이 이런 약속을 받으시고 이 IYF를 설립하게 된 겁니다.
And so Pastor, he received this word and he founded IYF.
저도 그 마음을 그대로 받아서
And I also received that word in my heart.
2003년도에 우리가 태국에도 이제 IYF를 설립하게 된 거죠.
In the year of 2003, we're able to establish IYF.
하나님이 교회에게 주신 마음을 그대로 받아서 할 때
And so when I received the word of God as it was and went forward with it,
하나님은 약속대로 역사하시는 거죠.
God, He worked according to the promise.
예, 또. 자, 지금 이제 우리가 IYF 설립이 2003년도에 하게 되었는데요.
So the year 2003, we're able to establish IYF Thailand.
그 이름으로 우리가 이제 그 교도소에도 이렇게 복음을 전할 수 있었습니다.
Through that, we're able to preach the gospel in prisons.
2005년이죠.
That's in the year of 2005.
그로 2007년에 처음으로 글로벌 캠프를 태국에서 하게 되었어요.
And in the year of 2007, for the first time, we were able to hold the global camp.
이 글로벌 캠프가 한국 학생들이 와서 해외에서 하는 글로벌 캠프였는데요.
And so this was a global camp where students from abroad will gather.
이제 그것이 바뀌어서 이제 월드 캠프로 이제 바뀌었습니다.
And now that global camp was able to change to the world camp.
우리 태국에서는 2011년도에 처음 월드 캠프를 하게 되었어요.
And so in the year of 2011, that's when we're able to first hold the IYF World Camp in Thailand.
이런 월드 캠프를 하면서 총장 포럼이나 교육자 포럼을 이제 함께 합니다.
And so as we hold the World Camp, we're able to also hold the Education Leader Forum.
그래서 우리는 2015년도에 크리스티안 리더 포럼도 하게 된 거죠.
And in 2015, we're able to start the Christian Leaders Forum.
자, 그러면서 마인드 에듀케이션 스쿨도 이제 우리가 하게 되고요.
And so we're able to do mind education in various schools.
처음으로 우리가 1996년도에 갔을 때는
And so back when it was 1996,
이런 그림이 내 머리에 그림이 없었죠.
these pictures were not in my head.
근데 하나님의 약속 안에는
But within the promise of God,
이런 그림을 이미 계획하셨고
all these pictures were planned.
그래서 그것대로 이제 역사를 하게 된
And
것입니다.
God, He worked accordingly.
그래서 하나님의 약속을 따라서 가는 것이 얼마나 큰 복인지를 하나님이 가르쳐 주는 거죠.
So God has truly taught me how much of a blessed thing it is for us to go forward with the Word of God.
우리가 월드 캠프하는 목적에 대해서 여기 기록하고 있습니다.
And so these are the objectives of the IYF World Camp. And so we want to provide mind educations from various IYF mind lecturers. And we want to introduce global perspective to students, guide students out of their introvert state, and become the place where international students can meet and students learn to exchange their hearts.
자, 이런 목표를 가지고 우리가 세계대회를 하고 있습니다.
And so these are the objectives that we have in the World Camp.
자, 그 다음에요. 우리는 이 세계대회 그 프로그램 안에 굿뉴스 코어 발렌티어라는 게 있습니다.
And so within the World Camp that we also have the Good News Corps volunteers.
우리는 이제 이 세계대회 기간에 하는 것이 굿뉴스 코어 발렌티어의 워크숍으로 하고 있습니다.
And so during the World Camp, we have the workshop for the Good News Corps volunteers.
그래서 우리가 올해까지 이제 10기를 보냈는데요.
And that's why this year is the 10th class that we are sending abroad as the volunteers.
2007년도부터 이렇게 이제 그때부터 이제 참석하고 난 다음에 그 사람들을 그 중에서 이제 모집을 한 거죠.
And so these are the participants, and then people who participated, there are volunteers that we send abroad.
여기에 이제 그 간 학생 숫자가 나옵니다.
And you can see over there the numbers of volunteers that we have sent.
1기로 이제 9명이 갔었고
The first class we sent 9 people.
2기로 21명,
In the second class 21 people.
3기로 43명,
Third class 43.
4기는 60명,
Fourth 60.
5기로 70명,
Fifth 70.
6기로 72명,
Sixth 72.
7기는 92명,
Seventh is 92.
8기는
Eighth
121명,
is 121.
9기는 106명,
Ninth 106.
10기는 96명.
This year 10th is 96 people we sent.
총 간 학생들이 690명이 갔다 오게 됐어요.
The total number of students who went abroad as volunteers is 690 students.
그러니까 여기 2007년부터 세계대회에 참석한 학생들 중에서 소명을 가지고 이렇게 이 끝나고 난 후에 일기로 가는 거죠.
And so as the participants of the World Camp attend the World Camp, they are able to have hope to go volunteer abroad.
그러니까 2007년도에는 태국 학생들이 500명이 그 세계대회에 참석했었습니다.
That's why in the year of 2007, there are 500 participants in the World Camp.
2011년도에는 700명,
In 2011, 700.
12년도에 800명,
2012, 800.
2013년도에는 1000명,
2013, 1,000.
2014년 2000명,
2014, 2,000.
2015년에는 이제 4번을 하면서 7,658명이 참석을 했죠.
In 2015, we did the World Camp 4 times and we're able to have 7,658 participants. in the World
이것은
Camp.
이제 5번, 1년에 5번 세계대회를 한 거죠.
In 2016, we had the World Camp 5 times a year.
그걸 구체적으로 기록하고 있습니다.
And that is what's recorded here.
이렇게 2015년도에 5번 했을 때 이렇게 7,658명이 나오죠.
And this is the year of 2015 when we had the World Camp 5 times and we're able to have 7,658 people attend.
이렇게 2월달, 3월달, 4월달, 6월달, 10월달 이렇게 이런 식으로 하게 된 거죠.
So February, March, April, June, September, and October.
그래서 7,658명을 2015년도에 했습니다.
In the year of 2015, we're able to have 7,000 participants.
작년에는 이렇게 또 하게 됐는데
And this is last year.
11,242명을 우리가 하게
It
되었습니다.
was a total of 11,242 people.
이런 많은 학생들을 만나서 복음을 전할 수 있었던 것은
And the way though we were able to meet with so many students like this,
목사님이 가지고 있었던 약속 안에 믿음 안에 이루어지는 일들입니다.
because these are the works that are being fulfilled within the promise that Pastor received.
또 그때 이제 각 행사 내용들입니다.
And so these are like the events that we have within the World Camp.
올해 이제 월드 캠프를 했었는데요.
And so, we did the World Camp,
이 우크라이나에서도 와서 같이 댄스도 쳐주고
and even people from Ukraine came and danced for us.
인도에서도 120명 학생이 와서
121 students from India came as well.
베트남이나 캄보디아 이런 데서도 같이 와서 해줬어요.
Vietnam, Cambodia, they also come to attend this World Camp.
예, 다음. 이런 이제 아카데미를 많이 하고 있습니다.
And so within the World Camp, we have a lot of academies.
여기서도 아카데미를 이렇게 하는데
Just like we have the academies here.
거기서도 이제 이런 음식 아카데미 같은 것도 하고
And even in the World Camp, we have like the Food Academy,
예술로 탈 같은 것도 만들고
Art Academy.
이제 이런 복음반도 이렇게 하고 있습니다.
There's also the Gospel class.
이런 이런 여기 태권도나 이런 것도 하고요.
There's academies like Taekwondo.
이제 그룹 미팅도 이렇게 하고요.
And there's group meetings.
예. 여기서 한 학생의 간증을 우리가 들어보겠습니다.
And so at this time, we'll hear a testimony from one student.
to more than I can be.
이 학생은 작년에 이제 페루로 이렇게 가서 지금 페루에 있습니다.
And so that student went to Peru last year, and right now she's still currently in Peru.
제가 저 간증을 잊을 수가 없었습니다.
And so that testimony I could never forget.
여러분이 잠깐 이렇게 이제 글로 이렇게 잠깐 보신 건데
And so you were able to read her testimony through words.
저 학생은 그 학교 학창 시절에
So when she was during attending school,
이제 어떤 친척에게 간음을 당하고
and so when she was young, she was harassed by her cousin.
깊은 절망 속에 이제 빠져 살다가
And so she was living in deep despair.
그 어느 날 또 친구들과 함께 교수님을 만나러 갔는데
And one day, she and her friends went to meet with her teacher.
그 일을 다 하나하나 학생들이 일을 다 보고
And so one by one, the students they met with the teacher.
자기가 제일 늦게 이제 교수님을 찾아가게 됐는데
And she was the last one to meet with the teacher.
그때 이제 교수님이 자기를 이제 간음했다는 거죠.
And so that was when the teacher sexually harassed her.
그런 아픈 어떤 상처들
And so these scars,
그걸 씻을 수가 없었는데
she was not able to wash away.
우리 IOF를 만나서
But she met with IYF.
그 어떤 두려움, 고통이 다 사라지고
The fear and the sufferings were able to all go away.
지금 이제 페루에 가서 단기 생활을 하고 있습니다.
And so she's in Peru right now as a short-term missionary.
작년에 제가 이 간증을 이제 녹음을 해가지고
And so I recorded this testimony last year.
제가 자주 만나는 총장님에게 이 간증을 들려드렸습니다.
And so to a minister that I meet with often, I let him hear the testimony.
이런 간증을 이렇게 들으면 총장님은 어떤 마음이 듭니까?
And so I told the minister, when you listen to this testimony, what kind of heart do you have?
뭐 이런 일은 자주 학생들이 일어나는 일 아닙니까?
And so he said, oh, isn't this something that happens to students often?
그냥 자주 일어나는 일이라고 생각하고 거기에서 끝이었고 아무런 안타까움이나 미안한 마음이나 이런 게 전혀 총장님에게 찾아볼 수가 없는 거예요.
And so when I was listening to what he was saying, I couldn't feel any heart of remorse or any kind of sadness that this happened to students like this. But she just thinks that it's just an obvious thing. It happens.
학교가 그냥 지식을 전달하고 있지.
You know, the school's only passing on the knowledge.
학생들이 가지고 있는 고통을 서로 나누고 얘기하는 그 교수님이나 총장님이 자꾸 사라져가고 있다는 겁니다.
And so that's why I realized that there are many teachers who are just passing on the knowledge, not being able to, speak the sufferings, to help out with the sufferings, and even the chancellor of the school is the same.
그런데 우리 IOF는
But IYF
그런 학생들을 만나서
meets with those students in
마음을
school
나눠서
and shares the heart.
그 고통에서 절망에서 벗어나게 해주는 놀라운 이런 단체입니다.
And it's such an amazing organization that is able to free them from these sufferings and pain.
그런 학생들이 1년 동안 다른 나라에 가서 해외 봉사를 하고
And these students for 1 year they'll go abroad to volunteer.
또 그 마음을 받아서 또 태국에 와서 친구들이나 친척들에게 전달하고
And they receive that heart from the volunteering and they come back and they share it with their friends and their family members.
우리가 세계 대회를 하려면 그 스태프들이 참 많이 필요한데
For us to do the World Camp, we need many staff members.
그 갔다 온 단기들이 이런 그 세계 대회를 다 준비하고 진행하고 있습니다.
The volunteers that go abroad come back and they pour all their heart to prepare for the World Camp.
올해도 이렇게 130명의 스텝이 필요했었는데
And this year we also needed 130 volunteers.
그 군유스코 갔다 온 학생들이 다 전부였습니다.
All those students, all the staffs were the volunteers who went abroad.
그들이 그런 행사를 우리와 함께 하게 되었고
And so they are able to be together in these events.
내가 그런 그들과 함께 이렇게 산다는 게
And the fact that I'm living within them, together with them,
너무 행복해요.
I'm so happy.
사실 제가 지금 여기 일어나서 이렇게 서 있을 만한 힘이 없습니다.
And really, actually, I don't have any strength to stand here right now.
그렇지만 내가 이제 이렇게 일어나서 이런 얘기 하는 것은
But the fact that I'm still standing and I'm speaking to you guys
하나님이 우리에게 주신 힘이 이 어떤 아픔도 이길 수 있고
is truly the strength that God gives us. It's able to even overcome sickness,
병도 이길 수 있기 때문에
overcome disease.
저도 이 자리에 이렇게 섰습니다.
That's why I'm standing here.
다른 일 같으면 그냥 아프다고 그냥 저기 단기 저 농담 너가 해 이렇게 하고 말할 텐데
If it was any different time, I might say, "Oh, I'm just tired," and there's a volunteer, Luknam, and I'll just tell her, "Hey, you just go ahead and do the presentation."
근데 막 아파도 제가 이렇게 하고 있습니다.
But even though I'm sick, I'm still up here for you guys.
또 다음 이렇게 하겠습니다. 지금 굿뉴스코에 대해서 우리가 조금 전에 설명했던 것처럼
And so just like I explained to you guys about the Good News Corps,
사실 이제 삶의 새로운 삶을 우리가 전달해 주고요.
and so we're able to pass on a new life.
그들에게 이제 복음을 전하고
And we preach the gospel.
이런 부분들 영어로 좀 해줘야 돼요.
And so there are, we're able to encourage volunteers to overcome their limitations. And we want to plant God's hope into the volunteers' hearts. And so then we're able to let the young people to receive salvation. And volunteers learn how to live with an open heart and also learn how to cope with other different cultures and learning to live for others.
조금 전에 내가 이렇게 얘기했던 내용을 포함하고 있습니다.
And so these are all the things that are included within what I have
그런
explained to
절망에
you
빠져
before.
있는 학생들이 소망을 갖고
That students who have fallen into despair are able to have hope.
소망을 다른 사람에게 전달해서
And they're able to pass on the hope that they receive to others.
미래의 지도자를 양성하는 것입니다.
And is able to form the future leaders.
자기도 고통을 당해봤기 때문에
Because they know they themselves went through the suffering.
고통을 당하는 사람들의 마음을 서로 나눌 수 있고요.
And so they're able to share their hearts with those people who are going through the suffering.
그런 사람들을 도와줄 수 있는 거죠.
And they're able to help those people out.
굿뉴스 프로그램이 이렇게 진행되고 있습니다.
And so that's how the Good News Corps volunteers
이건
are.
아까 구체적으로 설명해 드린 거고요.
And this is what I've explained to you before of the numbers.
이제 그들이 가서 실제적으로 생활하는 프로그램들을 지금 여기에 사진으로 했습니다.
And so these are the pictures of the programs that they do as they go volunteer abroad.
이들도 각 다른 나라에 가서 복음을 전하고
And they go abroad to different countries and they preach the gospel.
그 다른 나라에서 그 형제자매들을 섬기고
And they're able to serve the brothers and sisters in that country.
그런 일들을 함께 하고 있습니다.
And those are the works that they do together.
이건 그 가서 이제 아카데미 같은 걸 하고 있는 장면들입니다.
And so these are the pictures. They go abroad and they have academies.
학생 캠프도 이렇게 같이 하고요.
They have student camps.
이런 어떤 예 우리가 태국에서 이렇게 이런 봉사도 합니다.
And so even in Thailand, we also do these community services.
수해를 당했을 때 같이 복구 작업도 하고
And so we're able to help, renovate places.
그리고 이제 그 학교나 교실 같은 청소도 같이 해주고
Schools and classes, we help to clean.
이렇게 우리가 사회 봉사도 하고 있습니다.
And so we're also doing community services as well.
예.
And so, truly through the volunteer program, gospel is able to really be widespread. After they come back, they're able to preach the gospel to their family and witness in their workplaces. And so through that, the World Camp activities are able to continue to expand. And so we are also holding the Educational Leader Forum for University Chancellors. And we're able to increase opportunities to preach in the educational institutes.
또 넘어가겠습니다. 우리가 작년에 이제 그 리더십 에듀케이션 그런 포럼도 했습니다.
And so last year we were able to have the Educational Leader Forum.
아주 큰 제일 좋은 대학교 줄라롱콘 대학교에 가서도
And so even the best university, Chulalongkorn University.
이런 포럼을 하면서
And as we had these forums,
우리가 세계 지도자를 양성하는데 함께하고 있습니다.
they are together with us working to form the best future leaders of the world.
작년에 3번을 하면서 180명의 그 지도자들에게 이런 에듀케이션을 교육을 했습니다.
And last year, as we had this forum 3 times, we were able to have this educational leaders forum for 180 participants.
예, 또 이것은 크리스티안 리더십 포럼을 하게 됐는데요.
And it's 2016, the Christian Leaders Forum.
작년에 12번을 하면서
And as we had it 12 times last year,
420명의 목회자들에게 이렇게 말씀을 같이 나누고
we're able to share the word together with 402 pastors,
복음을 전하게 됐습니다.
the leaders, and we're able to preach the gospel to them.
예. 교도소에 작년에 교도소에 가서 12번 이렇게 마인드 강연을 했는데요.
And so last year we were able to do the mind education in the prison 12 times.
11,290명의 교도소 재소자들에게 이런 마인드 교육을 했습니다.
Total of 11,290 inmates we were able to preach the gospel to.
예. 예, 그 또 단기 선교사 간증을 잠깐
And
듣겠습니다.
so this is another testimony of one of the volunteers, News Corps volunteers.
ก็ชีวิตผมก็จริงคนที่เคยติดยาเสพติดด้วยนะครับแล้วก็เคยเป็นฆาตกรด้วยครับก็จริงผมใช้ชีวิตด้วยการหาเงินผ่านทางยาเสพติดนี่นะครับเพราะผมคิดว่าการหาเงินผ่านทางเนี้ยมันเป็นสิ่งที่ง่ายมากและสามารถที่จะดูแลแม่ผมด้วยครับท่านก็ถูกจับนะครับแบบนี้ถึง4 ครั้งก็เลยผมเริ่มจับครั้งแรกผมรู้สึกนะครับแต่ว่าครั้งสุดท้ายผมโดนจับแทนแล้วผมรู้สึกเหนื่อยครับแล้วก็รู้สึกท้อด้วยกับการใช้ชีวิต ก็จริงๆครั้งที่ถูกจับครับมันก็เป็นอะไรที่ทรมานแล้วก็รู้สึกว่าพ่อแม่ก็เสียใจครับแล้วพอมามองกลับมาที่ตัวเองครับมันก็รู้สึกว่ามันไม่เหลืออะไรครับมันเลยรู้สึกอยากจะหาอะไรสักอย่างที่สามารถที่จะช่วยผมได้ตอนนั้นแม่ผมก็มีโอกาสครับได้พาผมมาจากผมคำที่เข้าไปในจิตใจผมมากที่สุดก็คือเป็นคำที่ผมรู้สึกว่ามันโอเคก็คือ หญิงที่ถูกจับฐานดูประเพณีครับในย้อนที่8แล้วอาจารย์บอกว่ามันเกิดเราดูในข้อที่11ใช่ไหมครับมันก็จะมีที่พระเยซูตัดกับอีกงานใช่ไหมครับเพราะว่าบอกว่าเจ้าจงไปเกิดและอย่าทำผิดพอผมได้ฟังมาคำข้อนี้แล้วรู้สึกว่าใช่ครับจริงๆถ้าเกิดผมฟังใช่ไหมครับฟังพระเยซูบอกจงไปเกิดก็ไปได้ครับ แล้วไอ้ซูก็ยังตัดอีกว่าไม่อยากทำอีกใช่ไหมครับเรารู้สึกว่าใช่ถ้าเกิดฉันฟังฉันก็สามารถที่จะไปได้เพราะตอนนี้ผมได้ไปเป็นอาสาสมัครเพราะผมก็ไม่สามารถที่จะพูดภาษาหรือว่าสามารถที่จะอยู่ที่นั่นได้ใช่ไหมครับแต่ผมได้อธิษฐานแล้วก็ได้เรียนรู้แล้วได้เรียนรู้ใกล้ชิดกับพระเจ้าด้วยตอนนั้นผมรู้สึกว่าที่ผ่านมาครับผมใช้ชีวิตด้วยตัวเองมันก็เลยไม่สามารถที่จะใช้ชีวิตอย่างมีความสุขได้แต่ตอนที่ผมถ่อมตัวเองแล้วก็ยอมรับว่าพระเจ้านี่แหละที่เป็นคนที่ช่วยผมและทำให้ชีวิตผมเปลี่ยนแปลงได้ตอนนั้นผมสามารถที่จะมีความสุขได้ผมรู้สึกว่าเนี่ยแหละคือสิ่งที่พระเจ้าให้แต่ที่ผ่านมาที่ผมมองกลับไปนั่นคือสิ่งที่ตัวเองกำลังให้กับตัวเองครับไม่ใช่สิ่งที่พระเจ้าให้นั่นแหละมันคือเป็นจุดที่แตกต่างมาแล้วผมรู้สึกว่าผมสามารถที่จะเลิกยาเสพติดได้ผ่านพระเจ้าเพราะผมไม่สามารถที่อยู่ได้ตัวเองครับเพราะที่ผ่านมาทำให้ตัวเองทุกข์ที่เดือดร้อนแต่พอที่รับเสียงพระเจ้าว่าจงไปนะครับแล้วก็ไปตามพระเจ้าผมรู้สึกว่าชีวิตที่อยู่บนพระเจ้านี่แหละคือความสุข
이 학생은 여러분이 들었던 것처럼요.
So as you heard the testimony,
마약 중독자고요.
the student was a drug addict.
또 마약도 팔고
He sold drugs,
또 총부 살인도 하고
and he even, murdered.
다른 사람을 총으로 쏴 죽이는 거죠.
So he shot someone.
이런 학생들이 어떻게 그 죄에서 벗어날 수 있겠습니까?
And so how can students like this be free from sin?
근데 이런 학생들이 우리 군디스코 프로그램을 통해서 우리를 만나게 되었고요.
But students like this were able to meet the Good News Corps.
그러면서 그들이 행복하게 이제 살아가는 걸 보면
And as you see that they're able to live a happy life,
저들이 힘들고 어려워도
even though it is suffering and it's hard.
그런 모든 걸 이길 수 있는 힘이 생기는 거죠.
They're able to gain the strength to overcome all those things.
이런 어떤 일들이 태국에서만 일어나는 게 아니고
And these things are not only happening in Thailand.
여러분이 계시는 그런 나라에도 이렇게 이런 역사가 일어날 것을 저들은 믿습니다.
I believe that in the countries that you are at, these works are happening as well.
하여튼 이렇게 해서 내가 여기 4시간의 아카데미를 마치게 됐는데
And so like this, I'm able to, end the 4 sessions of the academy.
시간이 좀 이렇게 나왔습니다.
And so we have a little bit more time left.
마이짱 나와서 좀 간증해야 돼.
So at this time, Mai Chang, she'll come out and give her testimony.
나를 살려줘야 돼.
So she has to help me out now.
내가 지금 막 쓰러질 것 같아.
So right now I feel like I'm about to faint.
이렇게 같이 와가지고 어떤 마음이 드는지.
And so she came here together with me. So, let's hear about her heart.
예.
Good morning. Yes, I am Mai Zhang. I was a short-term missionary here 2011. So I want to share my testimony. Before I made church, I believe that I am like a good girl. I spend my life like good people and do good things, but when I come to my house, I have a kind of my heart that I despair my father's because he didn't work, but just like spend my mom money a lot with the alcohol, with like spend like I don't know how to say in English, and also I think like I have more education more than my father and my mom, so I have like arrogant heart and spend my life to look down everybody. So I didn't know that this one is not this one is bad to me, and this is not like the right thought. So I spend my life like this. And also I like when I was in my university, right? Then when I was in my university, I think I am like a good student. I have like clever like this. So I look down many people. Then I have something about my subject. I get the F grade. So I think I should stop to study and then do something. And then at that time I met the IYF. They come to promote in my university. So I just like to do something. I don't want to study anymore. I just attend and then participate with the many activities, and then I have chance to know about the Good News volunteer, Good News Corps, like short-term missionary. So I chose American, and then I came here. When I came here, I also like not trust pastor. They let me do something I don't want to do, so I didn't do. I didn't follow them well. This kind of people, and also when I was in Thailand, also I didn't obey my father and my mom. And I just, if I have money, I can spend my life. Just my mom give me money is enough. I can spend my life without mom and father. Yes. And so when I came here to be a volunteer, I have realized myself that just I never have thankful heart to my mom and my father, but I came here, so I realized that even like at the time I don't have deodorant, so I need it very much because I was in Miami, and Miami is so hot, right? So I need deodorant. And then pastor say, I gonna buy for you. So you have to pray. And then if I am in Thailand, so I have money, and then I buy, right? But in here, I don't have money, so I have to pray to God that, but that I need it. So pastor let me pray, and then maybe few days passed, and somebody give me a deodorant. So I have heart like very thankful heart that, and then I realized that all this is like thankful heart that God gave me, because I never have like thankful heart in Thailand to my father and my mom. Yes, and in like my volunteer life is let me learn about faith to God. And when I receive salvation, I how to say, in Joshua, I cannot remember, like Rahab, right? Rahab is the woman cell, how to say, harlot, right? She is a harlot. So I think she likes me like she, right? I'm like her. I'm like her. Like she's very bad girl, but Solomon can marry with her. So I think like, I am this kind of person, and Jesus can die for me. So I'm very thankful in my heart, like I never have. And I spend my life in America in a short-term missionary. Also, I have like thankful heart also, and I can realize myself I'm a bad girl. I cannot despair. My mom, my father, my sister, and everybody. But everybody like teach me many things. Yes, and that's it.
So, if there is anybody among you, as you guys listen to the series of, sessions and lectures, if there's anybody who would like to, share anything from your heart, a testimony, at this time, you're more than welcome to come out and you'll be able to share the testimonies. So, is there anyone? Yeah, yes.
네, 안녕하십니까.
Hello, everyone.
네, 저는 한국에서 왔습니다.
So I'm from Korea.
그 불교 강의를 듣게 된 이유가 있었는데요.
And so there was a reason why I came to the Buddhism Academy.
제가 살고 있는 한국은 불교가 굉장히 강한 나라입니다.
And so the country that I live in, Korea, Buddhism is very strong.
저희 할머니께서도 불교를 믿으셨고,
Even my grandmother, she believed in Buddhism.
저희 어머니, 아버지, 가족들이 다 불교를 믿으셨습니다.
My mother and father, they also believed in Buddhism.
저희 집에 질병이 있는 사람들이 참 많이 있었었고요.
And there were so many people inside of our house that had diseases.
하는 일들마다 잘 되질 않았습니다.
And all the things that we did, it didn't go well.
저희 작은 형이 초등학교 2학년 때 교통사고를 당했고요.
And my brother, he got into a car accident when he was young.
병원에서 큰 수술을 받고 나서도
And after he got a big surgery in the hospital,
지금은 장애인으로 살고 있습니다.
but right now, he's living disabled.
저희 큰형님은
My older brother,
마약에 중독이 되었고
he was a drug addict.
45살까지
Until he was 45 years old,
여러 번 교도소를 왔다 갔다 했습니다.
he went to prison several times.
제가 처음으로 복음을 듣게 된 때는요.
When I first heard the gospel,
8년 전이었는데요.
that was 8 years ago.
저는 그 고등학교를 졸업하고
I graduated high school.
한국에 있는 성결교 신학교를 졸업을 했습니다.
And I graduated from a theology school in Korea.
목사가 되기 위해서
And so in order to become a pastor,
대학원도 졸업을 했고
and so I even graduated the master's.
10년간 전도사 생활을
And
했었습니다.
for 10 years I lived as a minister.
저는 성경을 잘못 알고 있었기 때문에
But because I didn't know the Bible the right way,
제가 노력해서 하나님을 믿으면 된다고 생각했습니다.
I thought just through my efforts I can just believe in God.
많은 세월이 흘렀는데도요.
For such a long time went by,
제 마음에 참 평안이 없었습니다.
but in my heart I didn't have true peace.
제가 목사 안수를 받으려고 하는 쯤에
And so around the time that I was about to be anointed as a pastor,
기쁜 소식 선교회를 만났습니다.
I was able to meet with the Good News Mission.
선교에서 들려준 복음을 듣고
As I was listening to the gospel that the mission preached,
제가 성경을 잘못 알고 있었다는 걸
I
알았습니다.
realized that I knew the Bible the wrong way.
처음으로 하나님을 알게 되었고
For the first time I was able to know God,
하나님을 믿는 것이
and believing in God
내가 수고하고 노력하는 것이 아니라
was not through my efforts and works,
하나님이 예수 그리스도의 십자가로
but it was that Jesus Christ on the
내
cross
죄를 온전하게 씻으신 것을
has washed away
믿는 것이 구원이라는 것을 알았습니다.
all of my sins, and believing in that was the salvation.
제가 구원을 받은 지 8년이 되었는데요.
And so it's been 8 years after I received salvation.
5년 전에 저희 큰형이 구원을 받게
And
되었습니다.
5 years ago, my older brother received salvation.
구원을 받고 난 이후에
After he received salvation,
저희 집안이 새롭게 변하기 시작을
my
했습니다.
household was changing anew.
큰형도 구원을 받고
My older brother received salvation,
작은 동생들도 구원을 받고
and even my younger siblings received
온
salvation.
가족이
So my whole family
복음 안에서 행복하게 지낼 수 있었습니다.
was able to live happily within the gospel.
제가 오늘 이 그 불교 강의를 들으면서
And so as I was listening to the Buddhism Academy,
내 마음 깊은 곳에
deep inside of my heart,
하나님을 믿을 수 없는 악한 마음이 있다라는 걸 한 번 더 느낄 수 있었습니다.
once again I was able to feel that inside of people's heart, there deep inside there's a evil heart that's not able to believe in God.
강의 중에 의미가 있었던 것이 있었는데요.
And so there was something so meaningful to me within the
태국
sessions.
사람들이
Is that Thai people
인형을 사람인 것처럼
is that they treat the dolls to be like real humans.
아기 인형을 진짜 아기처럼
That they would use the dolls as if it is like a real human.
키우고 있다는 것을 듣고 놀랐습니다.
And they're raising it. And I was very surprised about that.
강사 목사님께서
The lecturer
우리 마음 속에
said inside of our hearts,
자기를 믿는 마음이
the heart to trust in
얼마나
ourselves
악한지를 얘기해 주셨는데요.
is such an evil heart.
저는 제 마음 속에
But inside of my heart,
성공하면 행복을 준다고 생각했고
I thought that if I succeed, then I'll be
부자가
happy.
되면 행복을 준다고 믿었습니다.
I believe to think that if I become rich, then I'll be happy.
저는 제가 하나님을 믿었다라고 생각을 했는데
I thought that I believed in God,
제가 하나님을 믿은 것이 아니라
but that wasn't actually me believing in God.
하나님이 제 듣지 못하는 길을 열어주셨고
But it was God that opened the ears that I could not hear.
복음을 듣고 난 이후에
But after I heard the gospel,
구원을 받을 수 있는 이 행복이
this happiness of receiving salvation
얼마나 감사한지 다시 한번 알게
was
되었습니다.
such a thankful thing, and I was able to realize it.
이 자리에서
Here in this place,
강의를 듣고 나올 사람하고 질문을 했을 때
so when I heard the question, who would like to come out after hearing the
제일 먼저
lecture,
제가 나오고
I
싶었습니다.
wanted to come out first.
지금까지
Until now,
하나님께서 나를 구원하신 것처럼
just like God saved me,
저를 통해서 수많은 사람들에게 복음을 전할 것을 생각할 때
as I think about how so many people will hear the gospel through me,
참 감격스럽고 감사했습니다.
I'm so moved and thankful.
아직 남은 1주간의 기간이 있지만
And so we still have one more week left,
그 기간이 기대가 되고요.
and I really look forward to that week.
저는 CLF가 처음입니다.
It's my first time attending the
저는
CLF.
한국 사람인데요.
I'm a Korean,
이 자리에 다른 많은 나라 사람분들이 계시긴
but there
한데요.
are so many people from other countries.
하나님을 믿는 같은 믿음으로
And with the same faith in
같이
believing in
마음을
God,
나눈다는 것이
to share our hearts
얼마나
together,
행복한지 모릅니다.
it is such a happy thing.
제 이야기를 들어주셔서
So thank you
감사합니다.
for listening to me.
감사합니다.
Thank you. Is there anybody else?
네, 안녕하십니까.
Hello, everyone.
저는 굿뉴스 미션 캐나다 밴쿠버에서 사역을 하고 있는
And so
홍상수
I'm
목사입니다.
My name is Pastor Hong Sang-soo, and I'm currently ministering in Canada, Vancouver.
제가 사실 이렇게 불교 아카데미를 참석할 수 있어서 너무 영광스럽고요.
And I'm so thankful and so feel so glory that I was able to attend the Buddhist
우리
Academy.
이제 굿뉴스코로 태국에서 많은 학생들이 이게 미국에 왔습니다.
And so many Good News Corps volunteers came to United States.
저는 그 학생들이 굉장히 이게 너무 이렇게 귀해 보였어요.
And so when I looked at the volunteers, they seem so precious.
어렸을 때부터 이렇게 불교의 나라에서 이렇게 살면서 어떻게 이렇게 크리스천 문화를 이제 불과 몇 달 전에 이제 구원을 받고 왔는데
And so when I look at the students, ever since they were little, they were living in the world of Buddhism. But just within the short period of several months, they were able to change their heart into Christianity.
보통 1년에 저희가 이제 한 50명의 새로운 굿뉴스코 학생들이 여러 나라에서 미국으로 옵니다.
And so throughout the year, so in a year, around 50 volunteers from around the world would come to the United States.
근데 제일 그 어떤 마음을 가지고 이렇게 굿뉴스코 생활을 하는 학생들이 이제 태국 학생들이었습니다.
And the students who truly had a pure heart for the volunteer works here in the U.S. were Thailand students.
제가 아직도 기억나는 이제 단계들이 다 많이 기억나지만
And I remember a lot of students.
이제 태국 발렌티어 1기로 이제 온 이제 4명의 학생들이 기억이 남습니다.
But I remember the 4 Thailand volunteers that came in for the first class.
그 중에 이제 이름이 누구냐면 남학생 돈, 시아, 꿍, 비 이렇게 4명인데
And so there were 4 people. It was Don, Sia, Kum, and V.
거기서 이제 시아랑 이제 비는 우리 교회에 원래 다녔었고
And Sia and V, they originally attended our church.
이 꿍이랑 이 또는 이제 굿뉴스코 학생 이제 교회를 안 다녔던
And so
학생인데
Don and Kum, they were actually new to the Good News Corps
근데
volunteers.
이 학생 이 남학생 2명 여학생 둘이서 4명이서 그렇게 마음을 맞춰서 이렇게 서로 교제해가면서 복음 앞에 막 마음을 들였어요.
And so these 4 students truly gathered their hearts together, tuned their hearts together, and poured their heart for the work of the gospel.
저희가 2009년도 10월달에 뉴올리언스라는 곳에 교회를 개척을 했는데
2009, in the month of October, we were able to establish a church in New Orleans.
그때 저희가 한 2주 정도 막 전도를 하고 이제 집회를 이제 했는데
So for around 2 weeks, we were there in New Orleans, and we witnessed, and then we were able to have a Bible seminar.
아직도 그때가 이제 잊혀지지 않은 게 있어요.
And at that time, I still remember. I cannot forget
저랑 똔이랑 이제 같은 팀이었어요.
that Don and I, we were one
근데
team.
그때 그때까지 또는 구원을 받지 않았었습니다.
Until then, Don he didn't receive
저희가
salvation.
막 비가 와도
Even-
막 추워도 막 나가서 전도하고
And so even though
그랬었거든요.
it rained, it was so cold, but we still went out.
근데 또는 이제 구원을 안 받는 거예요.
But Don he didn't receive salvation.
자기가 막 너무 이렇게 선한 사람인 거죠.
And so he thought to himself that he's such a good person.
근데 옆에 있던 여학생 태국 학생을 셋이서 돈을 막 교제를 해줬어요.
And so there were several students around him, and that was having fellowship with Don.
결국 돈이 이제 마음에 자기의 악한 모습을 발견하고
And eventually, Don was able to discover the evil self inside of him.
그 이제 집회를 통해서 구원을 받게 됐어요.
And through the Bible seminar, he was able to receive salvation.
근데 진짜 구원을 받고 나서 이 돈이 마음에 너무 기뻐하더라고요.
And so after he received salvation, he was so happy inside of his heart.
그리고서 이제 계속 복음을 계속 증거하는 그게 삶을 살았습니다.
And he continued to live the life to witness the gospel.
제가 듣기로 청년들이 제일 많은 교회가 전 세계에서 타일랜드 교회인데
And so around the church, around the world, the church within our mission that has the most youth is Thailand.
저도 이제 굿뉴스코를 다녀왔기 때문에 잘 알죠.
And so I also went as a Good News Corps volunteer, so I know.
우리 이제 타일랜드에서 굿뉴스코 생활을 하고 돌아간 우리 많은 청년들이 있는데
And there are many youth, Thai youth that did the Good News Corps volunteer went back.
자 그들의 소식을 들을 때마다 굉장히 기뻐요.
And every time I hear news about them, I'm
네,
so happy.
때때로 교회를 안 나간다는 소리를 들을 때 좀 마음도
You know,
아프지만
there are times that I hear that they're not coming out to church for a while, and it aches my heart.
이번에 룽남이랑 마이짱 이게 왔는데
But this time, Luknam and Mai Jang came.
제가 못 알아봤어요.
At first, I couldn't recognize them
왜냐면 룽남은 여기 미국 있을 때 이만했거든요.
because Luknam, when she was here in the United States, she was actually this big
너무 잘 먹어가지고
because she ate so well here.
태국에서는 고생을 많이 했는지
I don't know, maybe she had a hard time in
살이
Thailand,
쏙 빠져서 왔더라고요.
but she lost so much weight.
네, 여러분 태국 음식 아시죠?
You guys know Thai food, right?
옛날에 우리 단계들이 태국 음식 해줬는데
And before the volunteers from Thailand prepared some Thai dish for
정말
us, it
맛있었습니다.
was very delicious.
아무튼 제가 이 불교 이 아카데미를 참석하면서 PPT를 넘겼는데
And so as I'm attending the Buddhist Academy, I was doing the PowerPoint.
정말 진짜 불교의 어떤 인간이 만들어낸 것이 결국 악할 수밖에 없다는 것을 알게 됐고
And so I realized that Buddhism, it was made by man, and it could only be evil.
그래서 이 불교의 나라인 태국이나 캄보디아 이 나라가 복음이 들어가기 어려울 거라고 했지만
That's why even though it seemed difficult for the gospel to enter into the land of Thailand and Cambodia and Myanmar that is so filled with Buddhism,
하나님이 그들의 마음을 이렇게 복음을 들을 수 있게끔 만들어놨다는 마음도 좀
but
들어졌습니다.
I truly believe inside of my heart that God is making the people's
정말
heart so that the gospel can enter.
이 강연에 함께 할 수 있어서 정말
So I was
감사했습니다.
very thankful that I was able to be with this lecture. So thank you.
이렇게 아름답게 마칠 수 있어서 감사합니다.
So I'm very thankful that we're able to end the session so beautifully.
사실 제가 오늘 아침에 이렇게 여기 올 때 이
Actually, this morning as I was coming here,
시간을 할 수 있을까 몇 번 염려했습니다.
I really worried to think, will I be able to do this last session?
이렇게 아름답게 마칠 수 있었던 것도
But even for us to be able to end it so beautifully like this,
여러 분들의 도움이 없었다면
and so if I didn't have many people's help,
이런 일도 할 수 없고요.
then I wouldn't have been able to do such work.
또 여러분들이 이렇게 함께 들어주시고
And you guys were able to listen together here.
또 여러분의 도움을 받아서 이렇게 아름답게 마칠 수 있어서 너무
Through
감사합니다.
your help as well, that we're able to end this session beautifully. I'm so thankful.
예, 기도 한번 하고 마치겠습니다.
So I will pray and then let us finish.
하나님, 우리가 이 CLF 아카데미 불교 아카데미를 하게 되었습니다.
Father God, we're able to have the Buddhism Academy here in CLF.
이 일을 통해서 하나님이 계획하신 일들이 많기 때문에
Through this work, there's so many plans that you have.
우리는 기쁨으로 이런 걸 준비하게 되었고
That's where we're able to prepare in happiness.
또 이런 마음을 나눌 때
And as we share our hearts,
저희들은 행복합니다.
it's truly happiness.
내년에는 더 많은 분들이 함께할 수 있도록 길을 열어주시고
Even next year, please open up the way so that many more people can be with us.
기쁨으로 이런 일을 동참할 수 있도록 축복해 주시기를 바랍니다.
We truly ask for your blessing so that we can participate in happiness.
오늘도 이렇게 아름답게 마칠 수 있는 게 너무나 고맙습니다.
Even today, we're so thankful that we're able to end so beautifully.
예수님의 이름으로 기도했습니다.
In the name of Jesus, we prayed.
Ah.
Amen.
감사합니다.
Thank you very much, everyone.